Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will use the previously developed idea of node to identify different circuit topology. We have three different circuit topology: series circuit, parallel circuit, and series parallel combination. If you look at this circuit, how many nodes? Find 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. Each node connecting only two elements. Now, if you look at this circuit, this is one big node. Maybe if I choose a different color, that will be clearer. So this is node 1 and this is node 2. So the whole circuit is two nodes. This circuit, the third one, we have one node. Again, this is one, second node, third node, and this is the fourth node. So it is four nodes. And if you notice, there are some nodes only connecting two elements, node number 3 and node number 4. Other nodes connecting more than two elements, one connecting 1, 2, 3, 2 connecting 1, 2, 3. So we have two different types. What I will use, I will develop this idea. I will use this idea to identify different circuit type topology. I will start by series circuit. In series circuit, sometimes they call it node-to-node connected circuit, i.e., each node connecting only two elements. So this node, number 1, connecting supply with R1. Node number 2, R1 with R2, R2 with R3, node 3, node 4, R3 with back to the negative terminal of the supply. So each node in the circuit, identify number of nodes, 4 nodes. Each node is connecting only two elements, two parts. Look to the circuit, there is some zigzagging. This is node number 1, node number 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. Even though the shape of the circuit is different from the one above it, they are the same since each node connecting only two elements. So these two are series circuit because all the nodes in the circuit connecting only two elements. Let us look at the parallel circuit. These are examples of parallel circuit. We just covered this in the previous slides. So this is node number 1 connecting all this. Node number 2 connecting all this. So this circuit is parallel circuit. There are only two nodes. All the elements are connected across node 1 and node 2. If you look at this current source, the other current source, 3 ohm resistor and 6 ohm resistor, all of them are connected into one terminal of these elements, and the other terminal connected into the same place. All of them connected into node number 2. What about this one? This is again another parallel circuit. Why it is parallel circuit? How many nodes? Only 2 nodes. This terminal, number 1 node, connecting this terminal with that, with all these. The other node connecting the other terminals in each element in the circuit. We have a third example. If you look, I think I discussed this thoroughly in a previous video, so if you don't understand nodes very well, please go back to it. So this is node number 1, this is node number 2. So all the circuit is 2 nodes only, so it is a parallel circuit. Now this circuit is series parallel circuit. How to identify series parallel circuit? I will go looking at the node. This is node number 1. Node number 2. Node number 3. And node number 4. So we have 4 nodes. Since it is 4 nodes, no way it is a series circuit. No way it is a parallel circuit. More than 2 nodes, no way it is a parallel circuit. Is it a series? I have to check the series checkpoint, which is each node connecting only 2 elements. This node connecting 3 elements. So, sorry, this is not a series. More than 2 nodes, some nodes are connecting more than 2 elements. Look at this node connecting only 2 elements. This node connecting only 2 elements. But this one, 3 elements, and this one, 3 elements. So this is a series parallel circuit. What about this one? Again, this is the supply with the resistor 1, 2, 3, and again 4 nodes. Node number 1 connecting source through. So since it is 4 nodes, it is not parallel circuit, more than 2 nodes. Now if you look at node number 1, it is node number 1 connects supply to R1. Node number 2 connect 3 elements, so no way this is a series circuit. It is not parallel because it is more than 2 nodes. It is not series because there are at least 1 node. See, I didn't check anymore. First one I found more than 1 element. I stopped. This is series parallel. Count number of nodes, 4 nodes, so it is not parallel. 1 node more than 1 element, it is not series. Now if you look at this third example, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and again 4 nodes. So this circuit is not a parallel circuit because it is more than 2. No way it is a parallel circuit. Parallel circuit, only 2 nodes. Now if you look at any node, more than 2 elements, so it is not a series circuit. To conclude, parallel circuit, only 2 nodes. Series circuit, more than a series circuit, each node connecting only 2 elements. Series parallel combination, more than two nodes, and some nodes are connecting more than, or some nodes connects more than two elements. Thank you.